Good morning everyone. Today we are going to look in one more way to do social media automation. Here we are going to use Google Sheets. Suppose you like a news, you go through a specific news. Today I had a news about Grok. Why is Grok causing a storm in India for his feature at the Grok that is there. So this is the news that I want to talk. As you all know, Grok is a AI from X, and you can ask any specific question publicly. It is going to reply to you using their large language model. It is known for its sarcasm and biasness that is there. So let us see how to get this news and share it within our platform. So once I copy this link, I go to my Google Sheet. I just paste the link below our news feeds that are there, and then I go to my Make automation where I am looking for watch new rows. Once it watches the new rows, it pushes to summarizer. It summarizes it. If you want to see the prompt, that makes it easy to create a social media post for the outputs. So from here, the URL, it is picking up the new URL, putting it here, and it is using basic sonar model that is there. I'm using basic sonar model. Now here I have created, I'm using Omni. This is the cheaper version of ChatGPT API. And then I am asking a specific question. I am asking it to give me a 240 character and give proper space and whatever details are there. Similarly here as well, I am using this same for my Instagram post. The same logic. I'm taking this information and writing the prompt. I'm connecting it with my API, and I'm writing this here. Similarly, let me just confirm for my Instagram. Let me also change the model, because 4o mini is a cheaper model compared to 4o, and lot of when I'm running this automation for the last 1 week, a lot of money has been gone because of this. So that is the reason why I'm making sure it is mini system. And the same thing here, if I see the same prompt, it is taking some line. Yeah, give 2 space between the line and the hook. Okay, now save this. Now it is going to go to the Twitter, it is going to go to Instagram and Facebook. So once you feel everything is fine, I can't automate this because I need to always update the Excel with the news. I am doing this because RSS feeds was not that good. It was not giving me as the news that I want to spread across my platform. So now I have gone through the news little bit, and I feel that this Grok news is something nice that I want to push it along. So from here, it has picked up this news. If you can see, it has picked up the BBC news. Row 4, it has taken this news, it has passed it into Perplexity. Perplexity is now taking it and summarizing it, and then it is going to take it. So till then, we will just wait. So once this is done, if you can see, this is done. So quickly it is gone here, and now it is going to the Instagram, Facebook, and now it is posting in Facebook. So the most of the time it takes in Perplexity, because it needs to take that URL, it needs to go and do the search, get all the information, and now you can see everywhere it is done. So first of all, let me just show you how it looks like. So once you go here, you go to operations, message. So this is, you are an AI expert, this particular thing goes here. Okay, and then here, if you see, from this comes your this particular thing, result. And let us see the tweet, how it looks. X, so I think. So there is some problem in this. So there is some problem with this. It is not picking up properly. So sometimes it does not do a good work. Okay, so let us now try to fix this. So it has picked up this news, BBC News. I think BBC News it is not able to message content. It is not able to do it. I think BBC News is not allowing it to scrape it or something. Let us run this. So I have tried with one more news. I have taken a news from TechCrunch and I put it here. Now, yeah, I think now I can get something. Yes, I think BBC was blocking it. So now if you go content, so here is the summary of the Anthropic news. From here it goes here, it picks up the news and then it gives you a particular thing and then it gives you the tweet. So now if I can just delete this because I don't need this and I refresh, so now it works. So I think some websites like BBC and all don't work. So I got this news. Similarly, I can go here and delete this as well and then refresh. So I get this as well. So this is a learning process that we need to go through. Home. Yeah. So we got the news for Anthropic. As well as Facebook page. See, we got just this one. This one is also good. So this is just to summarize everyone. So we have put a news article here. Some news articles may not give you an option. So you saw here you do not get the output. So maybe they are blocking this search. And let us try to do it ourselves just to be sure whether this is the case or not. Let us take BBC News. Go to Perplexity. Summarize. So yeah, I think, yeah, see, I don't have access to specific article you're requesting. The search provided not contain information about the article with the URL. So BBC is blocking this. So BBC is blocking this article. So don't put BBC articles. For the other articles, if I do the same thing for the TechCrunch article, let me go to the TechCrunch article and do the same thing. Here, let me just do again, summarize. So BBC, some big media houses block the access, but other ones like this, let us see if it is able to. It is taking some time because it has to go open that website, search, and then give you an output. So let us see if it is helping here. So it took some time, but it read that article and gave the summarization of this. So if you have BBC, so you cannot run this automation. So that's why it gave me something blank and it gave me a default prompt that is there, which is not good. So these are some of the checks that we need to do and learn when we build such type of automation and article. So now if you see, we have a good news, quick news that we had. It got converted into different formats. The news, it got converted into a this thing. And I'm not sure about LinkedIn. Let me just see for LinkedIn what all is the option that is there. Add a module. LinkedIn. LinkedIn, create a user text post. Yeah, there is no company post, so we need to connect automatically. We need to create a connection type. So we have to do this. So I will have one more video how to do this.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.